Leadership skills. Leadership skills are the cornerstone of managerial success. They empower you to guide, inspire, and influence others effectively. At its core, leadership involves setting a clear direction and creating an environment where teams can thrive. A key component is the ability to articulate a compelling vision. Not just having great ideas, but communicating them in a way that motivates action. Effective leaders are also decisive, making well-considered decisions that align with organizational goals. They excel in empathy and delegation, fostering a supportive environment and trusting their team to take responsibility. Reflect on your leadership experiences. How well do you inspire and motivate? Do you balance decisiveness with empathy? Focus on building these skills with sustained team success. Technical expertise is more than familiarity with tools. It requires deep knowledge of your industry and the ability to mentor others. Managers must have enough expertise to make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and stay ahead of industry trends. Crucially, managers act as a bridge, translating technical details for diverse stakeholders. Ask yourself, can you troubleshoot effectively? Are you confident mentoring your team and keeping their skills updated? Focus on sharpening your technical foundation and translating insights into actionable guidance for your team. Interpersonal skills are the foundation of effective management. They encompass communication, negotiation, empathy, and conflict resolution. Strong communication ensures clarity, while active listening builds trust and understanding. Consider how you handle these disagreements. Are you skilled at mediating conflicts and fostering cooperation? Can you negotiate outcomes that balance organizational and team needs? Effective managers continually refine these skills to build strong relationships and maintain a positive team dynamic. Time management and organization. Managers must excel in time management and organization. These skills ensure efficiency by enabling you to prioritize tasks, allocate resources, and meet deadlines without compromising quality. Beyond managing tasks, cognitive organization is crucial. A clear understanding of ongoing projects and the intersections helps maintain focus under pressure. Reflect on your past projects. Were deadlines consistently met? And was the quality of work high? Enhancing these skills improve both personal and team productivity. Adaptability and flexibility. Adaptability is essential in navigating change. Effective managers remain calm and composed when plans shift and are proactive in anticipating challenges. Flexibility extends to adjusting leadership styles to fit different team members or evolving situations. Ask yourself, how well do you handle unexpected changes or new workflows? Are you open to experimenting with innovative ideas? Embracing adaptability helps you guide your team confidently through uncertainties and transitions. Learning and growth mindset. A growth mindset drives continuous improvement. It involves seeking out learning opportunities, embracing feedback, and committing to both personal and professional development. Reflect on how you approach feedback. Is it a chance to grow or a source of frustration? Managers with a growth mindset set an example for their team, creating a culture of innovation and learning. Stay proactive by engaging in professional development, keeping up with industry trends, and exploring new ideas. You've just explored what it truly means to be a manager, beyond the title and into the heart of leadership. From defining the key responsibilities of management, to understanding how the role differs from being a worker. And finally, reflecting on your own readiness. This module has laid the foundation for your leadership journey. But knowledge is only powerful when put into practice. Now it's your turn. Complete the assignment at the end of this module to solidify your understanding. Use it as a chance to reflect honestly on your strengths, areas for growth, and where you stand in your path toward management. Then apply what you've learned, whether you're already in a leadership role or aspiring to one. Start practicing the behaviors of effective managers in your daily work. Set small goals. Observe your leadership style. And take note of how you communicate and support others. Finally, help me grow too. Your feedback is vital. Share your thoughts on this module. What resonated? What could be better? And how can I improve your learning experience? This helps make future lessons even more impactful. You're building a mindset for leadership that lasts. Take the next step with confidence.